In this video, I will show you how to install npm Node.js in Visual Studio Code. So the first thing you need to do is click on terminal, click on new terminal, and then type npm here, npm spacebar install, and then press enter. Then once you press enter, you will see the error here because we will not already install the npm. So type this npm-b and you will see its error. To install it, go to Google, type node.js, and then click on node.js, and then after that click on download here. Once you click it, so make sure that the version is current and make sure that it is on Windows, or when you're using Mac OS, choose Mac OS, and then here, and then choose the npm here, and then after that here click on Windows installer and make sure that it is 64 bits. Click on it and then wait for it to install, and then once it's installed, click on this and then click on next, and then click on accept, click on next again, click on next. You can also change the file, click on next, just click on next and click on install, and then click on finish, and then I will go back to Visual Studio Code. So I will just refresh it, I will exit it and then open it again, and I will click on terminal, click on new terminal. So let's testing it. So when you type npm install, you will see when you press enter that it is error again. So the next thing we need to do is we need to delete this, and then create a new terminal again, and then type this get slash execution policy, press enter, and when you will see the restricted here, just type again set execution policy, and then press enter, and then you will see it here. So make sure to type scope current user 2 and then type remote sign, and then after that type npm install, press enter. Then you will see the error because we already installed it, so just type npm/v, and then you will see the version of npm here, so meaning it is installed. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.